Okay, so this one will be about the actual add-ons, a little bit quick about it. So in this one, actually, I'm going to copy this one. I'll delete this guy. Okay. Uh, so the add-ons, I already showed you two of them that I use a lot, which is the tab scissors, okay, and also the glue scissors, the glue tab scissors, sorry. And then you can use those two, very useful. And if you want to, you have also, if you are within Google Classroom and you want to split the one that I just showed you, like it does the same thing, you have Alice Keeler. She's done that before. And she has that splitter as I showed you with these two. So it's the same thing. The other one that I use a lot is just that you have this, it says share to classroom. Very useful if you're doing um, a lot of reading onto the internet and you find a good article or you find something interesting for the kids or something interesting for you, is that you can share that to the classroom. So let's say that I'm reading something like, or Explorer's Expedition, this one over here. Okay, so I'm looking at this and saying, okay, well, let's see, I'll read this article. I know it's in French, but I just like looking at this. You read this article and you're teaching social studies and you say like, hey, this would probably be good for a debate or something to talk about into the classroom and different. You can click onto this, and because you have all your classroom, you can assign it to any classroom that you want. So if I'm going to just choose demo over here, click onto that, it will open. It says push to students, therefore it notifies them right away that you can do that. It's up to you. Or you can actually just click onto this, and then in here, you can actually just create an assignment from it if you want to. You can ask a question about it if you want to, or you can make an announcement. So most of the times I use it when I go onto the internet and I find, let's say, something pretty cool about animation, then I'll share that with them, just make an announcement. So I'll do that, make an announcements. You can actually just write, this is interesting. If it wasn't in French, then I would put something else. This is interesting. Uh, let's say have a read. Talk about it in class. We'll talk about it next class. Next class. You can add the topics that's from the previous videos. You can have that, okay? And then it says open into classroom. You can actually just click onto this, or let's say that you do not want to post this right away. Well, you have the option to say schedule it, save as a draft. So therefore, you can actually reflect onto that before you actually post it. In this case, I'm just going to say post it. So it will go in. And also, by the way, is that I forgot to show you is that you can actually just post to multiple multiple classes. So if I go back, I'll say demo, and I'll say okay. So I'll choose a different class just for, let's say, finance, and make an announcement. Yeah, or create an assignment, make an announcement. Okay. In here is, as you saw, for finance, and you can click on any other classes that you want to post this to. So you can do all of this. Okay. All students, you can actually just, that's what you want to have for most of the parts, and then just say post it. So that was one other thing. So those are the add-ons that you can actually have. And as you can see, like for me, I do use a lot of add-ons. And if you go to Chrome Web Store, you have a lot of stuff you can use. And then if you think about, I said that many times when I do like sessions, if you thinking about something, it's like, this would be cool if Google would do this, or if I could do this with Google, or anything related to Google Drive or anything like that, please go here and search for it, and you might find some pretty cool things. Okay, these are the get started, get the top ones and all, and you have multiple things that you can use. So hopefully that will help you with the add-ons and share. The export and import, that part, as I mentioned, I'll do that later on. I don't think a lot of it's not beneficial for right now, but as soon as the second semester starts, I will do that video. Okay, hopefully you have fun with the Google Classroom, and hope to see more of you guys using this. And if you have any questions, well, I'm pretty sure that you know where to find me. Have fun, guys.